Hi students, let us discuss about the new problem in our topic pair of straight lines. It is a very important problem. Show that the problem is show that the area of triangle which is formed by the lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equals to 0 and the line lx plus my plus n equals to 0 is delta equals to n square into under root h square minus ab by am square minus 2hlm plus bl square units. Okay. Let observe the diagram. Suppose like that. The lines, it is nothing but pair of straight lines. Pair of straight lines equation. The equation is nothing but ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equals 0. Now it is the equation of pair of straight lines passing through the origin definitely. Okay, that's why you are taking like this. Okay, now it is one of the pair and the line intersect with this. Okay, it is L equals to 0. That is nothing but Lx plus my plus n equals to 0. Now it is a Lx plus my plus n equals to 0. Suppose taking like this AB, then 0 AB is the triangle. Let us go with the proof. Okay, let our given equation is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equals 0 is represent two lines, yes or no? Is represent two lines. Let's say OA, because of definitely these are passes through from the origin. OA is L1x plus M1y equals to 0 say. Okay, there is no constant because of it is passes through from the origin, remember. Okay, and also OB L2x plus M2y equals to 0. Okay, let's say first one, second one. And also given one of the line and the line AB intersect with these lines. There is the Lx plus My plus N equals to 0. It is the third line. Okay. Now it is a triangle OAB. OAB is a triangle. We need first of all vertices of triangle OAB because of we need area of the triangle, yes or no? That's why we need vertices of triangle OAB. Already O means origin 0, 0. Now we need A and B. Now AB are point of intersections of OA and AB, yes or no? And B is the point of intersection of OB and AB. Okay. Now first of all, the equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equals 0 represent these two lines. Now the conditions are ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equals to, now it is represent two lines, yes or no? Now definitely it is a product of two lines should be equals to ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. Okay. Now we can write like this L1x plus M1y into L2x plus M2. Suppose multiplying on both sides, we will get what? comparing or equating quotients on both sides, then we will get what? L1x into L2x, L1 L2 x square, yes or no? Now x square quotient is a L1 L2 here, yes or no? Now m1y into m2y is a y square quotient, m1 m2 y square quotient is a m1 m2, then m1 m2 equals to this side is a b, yes or no? Y square quotient is a b. And also L1x into L1x into m2y, L1 m2 and m1 L2. Okay, these are xy quotient. L1 m2 plus L2 m1 equals to, now this side 2h. These are the quotients. Okay. We need vertices. We know, suppose we have let a equals to x1 y1 and taking b equals to x2 y2. Okay, now we need x1 x2 and y1 y2, yes or no? Okay, x1 y1 x2 y2 we need. Now what about a is the point of intersection of 1 and 3. Okay, OA and AB. A is a common, yes or no? Okay, let us go with A. Now point of intersection, solving 1 and 3, then we will get what? Now A is the point of intersection of OA and AB, yes or no? Now these are becomes as like this, L1 x1 plus m1 y1 equals to 0 and L x1 plus m y1 plus n1 equals to 0. Now we can solving these two. Now let x1 y1 and 1. Now here the quotients are m1, it is a 0, L1 and m1, and here m n1 L. Okay, now taking the determinants like this for x1 what? For x1, now it is now here this n. Okay, n m1 minus 0. Now here 0 minus n L1. Now here 1 by L1 m minus Lm. Okay, now here x1 equals what? n m1 by L1 m minus Lm, and y1 equals to minus n L1 by L1 m minus Lm. Okay, now similarly definitely we have, similarly we can write here okay. Now we are taking here, let similarly x2 equals to, simple, in the place of 1 equals taking 2. Okay, n m2 by L2 m minus Lm2. Okay, and also y2 equals to minus n L2 by L2 m minus Lm2. Okay, now we have x1 y1 and x2 y2, that is a B. Now the area of let us go with the area of triangle OAB equals to, now what's that formula? Delta equals what? 1 by 2. When we have origin is a one of the vertices, then 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus x2 y1 square units. Okay, let's substitute and simplification. First of all, substitute x1 is nothing but nm1 by L1m minus Lm1, yes or no, into y2 minus nL2 by L2m minus Lm2, okay, minus x2 nm2 by L2m minus Lm2 into then y1 minus nL1 by L1m minus Lm1, okay. Let's simplify it. Minus n square L2 m1, yes sir, okay, by L1 m minus Lm1 into, now observe, denominators are equal, so LCM is the same. LCM is the L1 m1 minus Lm1, L2 m minus L2m minus Lm2. Now here also minus into minus getting plus. Now n square L1 m2. More simplification, 1 by 2, taking minus n square common. Now remaining is a L1 m2 minus L2 m1, okay, by L1 m1 into L2 m. What about that? L1 m2 L1 m only, L1 m into L2 m, L1 L2 m square here, okay. Now L1 into Lm2, L1 into Lm2, then L1 m2 Lm, yes, L1 m into Lm2, L1 m2 Lm. Now next, minus into plus, minus Lm, here also same like that, L2 m1 Lm, okay. Now minus into minus plus L into L square m1 m2 or m1 m2 L square, okay. What simplification? Okay, let one by 2 into n square. Now it is like a minus b. It is like a minus b. Shall I write a minus b equals to like this? A minus b whole square equals to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. Okay. A minus b whole square equals to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. Because of we need L1 m2 plus L2 m1. Because of we have L1 m2 plus L2 m1 equals to 2h or no, and also L1 L2 equals to a and m1 m2 equals to b. Already we have L1 L2, then here a and b. Then what about L1 m2 plus L2 m1? How to get that one? By taking this formula, a minus b whole square equals to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. Then a minus b equals what? Under root a plus b whole square minus 4ab. Okay. Now shall I substitute here? Then 1 by 2 into n square under root in the place of a minus b equals to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. L1 m2 plus L2 m1 whole square minus 4 into L1 m2 L2 m1. It's over. Next, by already we have L1 L2 is nothing but a. Substitute here a m square minus, here minus Lm is a common, then remaining L1 m2 plus L2 m1. Now Lm common, Lm, L square m1 m2 means b L square, okay. M1 m2 is nothing but b, it is a L square. Then 1 by 2, now we can write n square root, it is nothing but 2h whole square minus 4 L1 L2 m1 m2, okay, write in order. Now a m square, it is nothing but 2h or no, plus b L square, Okay, 1 by 2 into n square into under root. Now in this 4 is a common, yes or no? 4 common, 2 under root. Here h square, it is nothing but ab, yes or no, by am square minus 2hlm plus bl square. 2 get cancelled. Therefore, the area of the triangle delta equals to n square under root h square minus ab by am square minus 2hlm plus bl square units. Okay. Now this is the area of the triangle which is formed by lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equals 0 and lx plus my plus n equals to 0. Okay. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you. Okay.